Today's maths question says, can I explain my understanding when answering reasoning questions? And this is involving you using all of your knowledge of angles to explain how you know that is the answer. So your first question says, which of these shapes contains the smallest angle? So I'm looking really carefully. I think these ones are quite big. Let's have a look at my next shape. I know that one's a right angle, and I think we can find an acute angle in these shapes. Oh, that one's an obtuse angle. So I think our smallest angle is that one. The next question says, Sam is discussing angles. And he says, I have three angles. One angle is an obtuse angle, one is a 90-degree angle, and the other is an acute angle. I think that the 90-degree angle is the smallest. So that's what he thinks, that the 90-degree angle is the smallest. Is he correct? Now we know of an angle that's smaller than 90 degrees, and that's an acute angle. So is he correct? No. And he's not correct because acute angles are smaller than 90 degrees. So I've answered the question, is he correct? And then I've explained my reasoning, and he's not correct because an acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees. And your final question, now this one is a little bit tricky, so make sure that you are listening very carefully, says, if you join together the endpoints of the matching lines below, do they make four angles in order from smallest to largest? So what it's asking you to do is here, each of these lines I've got two circles on, so we're going to match those two circles together. And then we are looking at that angle there. You're going to do the same for all four lines. So again, the next one. And then there is the angle. The yellow one, so match those two arrows together. And there is the angle, that's a 90-degree angle or a right angle. And then the same here, so match those two arrowheads together. And there is our angle. So we found the angles now, and it says, do they make four angles in order from smallest to largest? So that means this is the smallest and we get bigger as we go along. And do we think they are correct? Yes. Now for All Stars today, you are going to be answering problem solving and reasoning questions when you are comparing different angles.